First of all, we will go to Google and search for 000 web host, and then we will go to its official link. And now we will scroll down, and here you can see various plans for WordPress web hosting. For now, I will be going for the free one, but you can check out the paid plans as well. And here you can compare its features if you want, so you can also go for the paid one, but I will be going for the free web hosting. Now here I will go to sign up, and here you need to create your account. Now quickly I will create my account. Now we have came to WordPress dashboard. Here you can explore different options. Or now I will be going to posts, and I will select all posts, and now I will scroll down, and here I have made a sample post for you. As you can see, this is a sample post which I have created. As you can see, now I will go to add new, and here I will be creating a new post. Here we need to enter the title for the post. As you can see, I have entered the title, and now I will be writing its body. Here you can use bold and italic feature to make your text look bold and italic, and here you can also add a link. Now here let me search for a website, and now I will be pasting its link on my post. And you can see here you have to simply paste the link. Here you can select the option if you want that the page should open in a new tab. As you can see, it's so easy. And here you can also explore various options. Let me show you duplicate. Here you can also use its shortcut. As you can see, the duplicate is created. And here you get various options like adding images, adding a YouTube video, a paragraph, adding a list. Now I will be searching for my YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Now I will select this video, and I will copy the link, and I will paste it here. As you can see, here you can see different options to align the post or to edit the URL. Here you can align the post according to your needs. As you can see, here you can drag your post. So let me show you other options like paragraph. Here you can write a paragraph. You have a lot of things to explore in WordPress. You can learn it by yourself too. Now we will publish, and let's go to pages option. First of all, let me show you a sample page. This is a sample page. Let me edit it. Let me make it a about us page. You can go to Google and search for about us page, and here you will get an idea how a page looks like. As you can see, this is an example of business page, and here you can download it and use it in your WordPress website.